On this episode of Grassroots Garage, we are back with Pete Noonan and his Rx4 Sedan, the Duck.
It's 20 to 8 in the morning, downtown Lithgow chucking manies in the rotor.
No one in the street.
Yeah, there's different types of manies. Like you can do basic manies, which is just driving up and down and checking out what's going on, like calling out to chicks or whatever. Or you can do music manies, you just pump some music and that, just full tunes, blaring that.
Welcome to Grassroots Garage. We found Pete. Pete, two Pete's, you know the trouble. Thanks for your time, mate. Mate, tell us about your car.
Rx4 Sedan, 13V turbo, 3082 Garrett, 1000cc injectors, 301 horsepower.
You beauty.
Hilux diff, street driven here, street driven home.
Yep. And it's last time we met Pete on the original setup was in Penrith again, and he'd driven it out from Lithgow. So this is a proper street driven car. It's getting some K's on it, which is what we love.
I've got to have a shout out while I'm here to Murad and Stewart. They've done a top job to this engine. If you're in the West and you want one, hit the boys up.
Yeah, we'll tag them in the video to make sure they get a bit of attention, because they've done a great job on the car. You know, it's obviously a well-built car. It's super reliable, and they happen to be like legend blokes. You know, really lovely guys. So yeah, if you need some work done, hit them up. Really good guys.
You'll notice this episode has been filmed in 2 parts. Well, it's actually more like 5 parts. We've been following Pete's build since 2017. During the run-in phase, we caught up with Pete in Lithgow to film a large portion of this ep. And when the Duck came to Sydney for the final tune, we made sure we were there. Then, the drags to run a few 12s, and yep, a drive home to Lithgow.
We're at Rotor Revival. We're about to take the Duck out for some laps. Good excuse to cruise for a sec.
Oh, the red lights are on.
Oh, that's why. There you go. Shows how much I pay attention.
Adults acting like children.
This is it. This is it. Oh. That's mad. Oh, they're pulling us off. What time is it? Must be.
eBay wheels.
eBay wheels. Oh, here we go. So this is a fresh motor.
Yes. Murad Stroker built the motor from out M&J Mobile Mechanics.
Yep.
Tuned again by Stewart from Kemps Creek Rotary. Two brand new rotors in it, sent to us from Mazda.
Mazda?
Balanced.
What, new old stock?
Brand new rotors. You can still get them, Series 4.
Wow.
I've got the low comp one so we can run a bit more boost if I want to.
Yeah.
I've got a new diff in it at the moment. New Hilux diff, which was a pain in the ass. Especially on you.
That's like we're talking like yesterday, aren't we?
Yeah, I had the centre out Wednesday, which is close enough.
What is the latest eBay purchase?
The latest eBay purchase, I'll show you.
I knew there'd be one.
Just hold that door, please. My latest eBay purchase is my Microtech dash.
Hello. I'll hold that.
There's my Microtech dash.
Where? Ah, yeah, nice.
There it is.
Beautiful.
And my wood grain dash cluster, which I've retrofitted. Yeah, it's not actually off an Rx4.
Okay.
It's a little bit different shape than the Rx4 one, and I retrofitted it in there, which was again a pain in the ass.
Yep.
But what do you do?
What do you do, mate?
Spend time building cars in your shed.
Yeah, that's it, man. We love shed build.
Why haven't you fixed this, Peter?
What, this bit here? That bit there especially? Just here? Is that what we're looking at?
That's what we're looking at.
Yeah, it's still there.
It's still there.
How's that bucket going? How's the bucket going? Chewy? Is it heavy? Well, 400 grams. Okay.
AC/DC.
Well, straight up.
Yeah. So come on, mate. This is the stuff we didn't get last time. Give me a little bit of car history. Take me back to your first car.
First car?
Yep.
Little T-bone front grille, two-door Escort. I loved it. Mark 1.
Mark 1.
Yeah, the one that's got the dog bone front grille on it.
Yeah, I know the one. Yeah, beautiful.
I bought that off my uncle. I don't know how much it was. Not much. We rallied the shit out of that thing. I cut the vents out of the dash and put speakers in them because you know what you do when you're 17.
Yeah. I mean, and when you're 35, putting all these speakers in the back here. I wasn't firing the 6x9s and the 6-inch splits back there.
Yeah, well, I didn't want them in my door cards.
Yeah, nice.
Or in the dash.
Yeah, I've had a myriad of cars, mate. Oh,
I mean, I don't know why you're stressing about the dash. You just buy another one on eBay, wouldn't you?
Yes. No. I like my wood grain.
So you sold the Mark 1. What'd you get into next?
Oh shit! What did I get to then? Suzuki Vitara, yellow, little Suzuki Vitara G.
Did you experiment with your sexuality at the time?
No. Oh no, that was probably later when I owned a front wheel drive Astra.
Not that there's anything wrong with that. If that's your thing, mate.
If that's your thing.
I'm not having a go at anybody.
If that's your thing, party hard. PE Cortina,
Yeah.
FJ45 Land Cruiser. Oh mate, the list just keeps going on and on. Datsun Utes.
Yeah.
XR6 Ute.
Can we pause for this, like, absolutely 2000 time capsule of a Mitsubishi Mirage here? Look at that bad boy. I bet that's done some laps. Laps of the main street of Lithgow.
Some laps of the go.
Yeah. Unlimited cash.
Yes.
Give you a suitcase full of cash.
Yep.
What does this car look like?
Probably looks exactly the same, except it'll have a 20B auto 9-inch, and it'll be a winner at the Summer Nats burnout comp.
Nice.
I want to prove that a rotary can win a burnout comp. I want to prove a rotary, any type, can fry a set of tyres in a minute 05, just like the LS's.
Boom. Yeah. Get them.
Anyone can fry tyres with an LS.
All right. Same unlimited budget.
Yes.
What else would be in the garage?
Oh man, this'll prove my multiculturalism with cars.
Okay.
This,
Yeah.
I'd also have myself some sort of Lamborghini of some description. XB Coupe, GT, you know, maybe an XD Falcon of some description with a Barra in it.
Yeah.
11 or 1200 horsepower Barra motor in it.
Yes. Yeah, I love that.
Barra of the world. But there'd be nothing with an LS in it, that's for sure.
I mean, they're just slow truck engines.
They are until you put a turbo on them.
And the big question is, do I leave this in or do I cut it out? That's the big question.
That's up to you, mate. You're the editor. I'm just the bloke bringing one on.
Nice. So there just would be an absolute mix of cars.
Yeah,
like
mix them up, mate, and every single one of them I drive.
Beautiful.
I can't see the point in having a car and sitting there and flat tyres.
Yep.
So, yeah, that's about it.
Nice.
I don't know.
Johnny Hucky, you just here for us, man.
I don't know what I'd get in there for Negrita.
Yeah.
She kind of likes the Ferraris and stuff like that. So,
what would your daily?
what would me daily be?
Yeah.
1000 horsepower Barra XD.
Yeah, you just daily it. Love that.
All day.
I mean, it's going to be 42 today.
So they say.
So they say.
Yes.
And you're driving this bad boy out to Candos.
I certainly am.
That's commitment. So
it's going to be hot.
It's going to be hot. There's going to be some water drunk. I've noticed there's some electrolytes.
I've got a bit of water there, but I'll have the air conditioner on.
Yeah.
I think it's on now. It is. Can you feel that?
Aircon.
No, it's not aircon.
You've got air.
I've got air. It's not conditioned. And if it gets too hot, I'll let you wind down the window.
Nice. Oh yeah. The duck's quick. So why rotaries?
Well, the duck's first name was Miles, and he was one of my next door neighbours who died when he was younger, and his nickname was Miles, and he had a rotor. The name was Rx2 or Rx4, what it was, and my mother said to me, don't get in that car.
Yeah, wow.
So what does a 14-year-old kid do? He got in the car. And it's been a secret passion.
Ever since. Yeah. So what was that, an A13B?
Yeah, mate, yeah. Bridgeport back.
Oh, yeah.
Braking area here.
The dark.
Downhill.
That's sick. Yeah, you come over that hill and it sort of lifts over, doesn't
There
it?
you go. Ah, get the brakes on.
Yeah. your first
Yes.
rotary experience with Miles.
He was right across the road, and every morning he'd get up and he'd start it, and I'd hear from a bedroom mate in the suite.
Love coming for some laps in Pete's beautiful Rx4, and I apologise we spend the whole time laughing, but that's just how it is. So Pete, thanks for your time, mate. Really appreciate it.
Ugly ducks rule.
Yeah, shout out to Murad from MJ Mobile Mechanic. Done a beautiful job in the car, mate. We've just been thrashing it up, and it's hasn't missed a beat. It's what we like.
10-year keg.
You beauty.
It's no secret we're a big fan of the Duck. Pete has built a tough street car on a budget, and now he drives it. How good's that? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 3 with Pete and his beautiful swan. Sorry, duck.